Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Did you get the address?
Yes, Ben just sent it.
Where is the house?
It is in the hills.
Is it far from here?
Maybe a 30-minute drive.
What time should we go?
Let's leave around noon.
Is he home today?
Yes, he is waiting for us.
Should we bring anything?
Maybe some flowers or wine.
Does he live alone?
No, he lives with his wife.
Is the house new?
I think they just moved in.
Is it a big place?
He says it has 5 bedrooms.
Wow, that is huge.
I know, it sounds crazy.
Do they have a yard?
Yes, a very large one.
Is there a pool?
I am not sure yet.
Well, let's find out.
I'll grab the car keys.
Are you ready now?
Just need my shoes.
I'll wait by the door.
Okay, give me a second.
Did you see my phone?
It's on the table.
Got it. Let's go.
The weather looks great.
Is the tank full?
Yes, I got gas yesterday.
The drive will be nice.
I love the hill views.
Do you have the GPS?
It is already set up.
How is Ben doing?
He is very busy lately.
Does he like his job?
Yes, it pays very well.
That explains the big house.
True, he worked very hard.
Is his wife nice?
She is very friendly.
What is her name?
Her name is Maria.
Wait, do I know her?
Maybe she was at college.
Right, I remember now.
Ready? Let's walk out.
Don't forget the gift.
I have it right here.
Okay, let's head out.
The car is right there.
This will be fun.
I can't wait to see.
These houses are massive.
The neighborhood is very expensive.
Look at that lawn.
It is so green.
Do people live here?
It's very quiet, isn't it?
Where is the house?
It's at the end.
Is that it there?
No, that's number 40.
What number is Ben's?
He is at 48.
Look at those trees.
They are so tall.
This street is beautiful.
I love the flowers.
Is that a gate?
Many houses have gates here.
It feels very private.
Well, rich people like privacy.
Are we close now?
The GPS says 2 minutes.
I see a big fence.
That might be his place.
Wait, look at that roof.
It looks very modern.
Is that the driveway?
Yes, turn right here.
Wow, look at the statues.
Those are a bit much.
They have 3 garages.
Actually, I think it's 4.
4 cars? That's a lot.
Maybe they collect cars.
The gate is opening.
He must see us.
Park anywhere you like.
I'll park near the door.
Is he outside yet?
No, I don't see him.
This house is white.
It's very bright today.
The windows are huge.
You can see the sky.
Should I turn off?
Yes, we are here.
I'm a bit nervous.
Don't be, it's just Ben.
He's our friend, remember?
I know, but look, wow. Just breathe and relax. Okay, I'm ready now.
Do you have your purse?
Yes, I have it.
Let's go say hello.
The door is opening.
There he is.
He looks the same.
Welcome to our home.
Ben, this place is incredible.
Thank you for coming.
The ceilings are so high.
We love the space.
Is this real marble?
Yes, it is, from Italy.
It is so shiny.
Please come inside.
Where should I put this?
I can take that.
It's just a small gift.
That is very kind.
Wow, look at the stairs.
They go to the bedrooms.
How many floors are there?
Just 2 and a basement.
The light is so bright.
We have many windows.
I can see that.
Do you like the art?
It is very modern.
Maria picked it out.
She has great taste.
Where is she now?
She's in the kitchen.
Is the kitchen big too?
It's the heart of the home.
I believe that.
Let me show you.
Is that a chandelier?
Yes, it's quite heavy.
It looks like glass.
It's actually crystal.
That is beautiful.
Thanks, we like it.
Is the house smart?
Yes, everything is automated.
Even the lights?
Yes, and the music too.
That is so cool.
It makes life easy.
Was it hard to build?
It took over a year,
I can imagine.
but it was worth it.
The floor feels warm.
It has floor heating.
That is a dream.
Great for the winter.
Is there a fireplace?
Yes, in the living room.
Can we see it?
Of course, follow me.
Wait, let me look again.
It is a lot to see.
It's like a hotel.
Just a bit smaller.
Look at this sofa.
It's big enough for 10.
Sit down, try it.
Wow, it is so soft.
Is that a TV?
Yes, it's 98 inches.
It looks like a cinema.
We watch movies here.
Is the fireplace real?
Yes, it uses gas.
It feels very cozy.
We use it every night.
The view is amazing.
You can see the garden.
Are those sliding doors?
Yes, they open fully.
It brings the outside in.
That was the idea.
Who chose the colors?
We liked the white look.
Is it hard to clean?
We have a robot vacuum.
Ah, that's smart.
It runs every morning.
What are those speakers?
That's the surround sound.
Can I hear it?
Maybe later for a movie.
The rug is so fluffy.
Careful, don't spill wine.
I will be careful.
Maria is very protective.
I don't blame her.
It is a nice rug.
Where are the books?
They are in the library.
You have a library?
Well, it's a small room.
This house has everything.
We feel very lucky.
Do you stay here often?
I work from home now.
This is a great office.
It's actually very quiet.
I can see why.
No noise from the street.
It's like a sanctuary.
That's exactly right.
Do you have neighbors?
Yes, but they are far.
That sounds peaceful.
Sometimes it's too quiet.
I wouldn't mind that.
Maybe one day, Mark.
One day, maybe.
Let's check the kitchen.
I'm getting hungry.
Maria has some snacks.
Is this a kitchen?
It looks like a restaurant.
Do you actually cook?
Maria is a great chef.
Look at this stove.
It has 8 burners.
Who needs 8 burners?
Great for big parties.
And the fridge?
It's hidden behind the wood.
I didn't even see it.
It's a seamless design.
The island is huge.
It's all solid marble.
Is it cold to touch?
A little bit, yes.
Look at the pool outside.
It's an infinity pool.
It looks so blue.
The water is heated too.
Can we go out?
Sure, the door is here.
The air feels fresh.
It's the mountain air.
Is the water deep?
About 5 feet deep.
It looks very relaxing.
We swim every morning.
I am so jealous.
You can visit anytime.
I might stay forever.
We have the space.
Is that a grill?
Yes, for the barbecue.
I love outdoor cooking.
Me too, it's better.
Do you have coffee? A machine is right there. Is it a fancy one?
It makes lattes automatically.
I need one of those.
It's a life changer.
Everything is so clean.
We try our best.
Do you have a dishwasher?
We actually have 2.
2 dishwashers? Why?
One for the big plates.
That's very convenient.
It really is.
Where are the snacks?
In the pantry over there.
Is the pantry big?
It's like a small room.
Of course it is.
Go ahead, take a look.
This is amazing, Ben.
I'm glad you like it.
How many rooms are here?
There are 4 guest rooms,
4? That's a lot.
plus the main bedroom.
Can we see one?
Sure, this is for guests.
It's bigger than our room.
It has its own bathroom.
Every room has a bathroom?
Yes, every single one.
That is so helpful.
No waiting in line.
Look at the balcony.
You can see the hills.
The view is even better.
It's very quiet up here.
Is this the laundry room?
Yes, we have 2 machines.
2 washers and 2 dryers?
It saves a lot of time.
I can see that.
The main bedroom is here.
Oh, it's massive.
The bed is king-sized.
Is that a walk-in closet?
Yes, it's quite big.
It's larger than my kitchen.
Maria has many clothes.
I see a tub too,
It's a jet tub.
like a spa at home.
Exactly. It's very nice.
Do you ever get lost?
Sometimes in the beginning,
It is like a maze.
but we know it now.
What's behind that door?
That is the home office.
Can I peek inside?
Sure, but it's messy.
It doesn't look messy.
Well, compared to the rest.
You have 3 monitors?
It's for my work.
You must be very busy.
I am, most days.
The chair looks comfortable.
It is good for the back.
I need a chair like that.
I'll send you the link.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
No problem at all.
Is there an attic?
No, just a flat roof.
Is there a basement?
Yes, with a gym.
A gym? Of course.
Do you want to see?
Thanks for the tour, Ben.
It was great seeing you.
We had a wonderful time.
Come back again soon.
We definitely will.
Drive safely tonight.
The hills are dark.
The roads are well lit.
Goodbye, Ben.
Bye, Mark and Sarah.
So, what do you think?
It's a beautiful home.
It's so big, Sarah.
A bit too big?
Maybe, but it's nice.
I like our apartment,
Me too. It's cozy.
but the pool was cool.
Yeah, the pool was great.
And that kitchen,
Could you imagine cooking there?
I would be lost.
It's a different world.
Ben worked hard for it.
He deserves it.
He is a good guy.
The drive home is quiet.
It's peaceful out here.
Do you want a house?
Maybe one day.
A small one, though.
Yes, smaller than that.
5 bedrooms is too many.
Too much cleaning.
Exactly my thought.
I like our small kitchen.
Everything is close by.
That's true.
Did you like the art?
It was very modern.
A bit strange for me,
Me too, honestly.
but the garden was lovely.
The trees were so tall.
I want a garden now.
We can get some plants.
For our balcony?
Yes, for our balcony.
That's a good start.
We are almost home.
I'm tired now,
It was a long day.
but a good one.
Yes, a very good one.
I'm glad we went.
Me too, Mark.
Let's watch a movie.
On our small TV?
It's big enough for me.
Me too. Let's go.